Hi everyone, this is Ken Steck here. I'm Ken Isnedi, and today I'm introducing to you the Matavish 3 Pro. It is a less bulky drone because of its being able to fall. With GPS home return, point of interest circulation, and a whole lot of added AI features which makes this drone very intelligent. Its battery lasts 25 minutes per charge and has gesture mode for taking pictures and recording. Right on the cover, you can see the manufacturers emphasizing on its amazing features. Ouch. This one is only for ages 40 years and above. So now let's jump into it. This is how it looks like. Not too heavy, not too light to be held in the one hand. Let me stretch out the folded arms for you to have a glimpse of it. In the box, there are two batteries. Like I said, each battery lasts for 25 minutes per charge. And there's the controller, very lightweight, with antennas and buttons to control the drone. Cable for the battery. USB power source is required, but the end of the cable to the battery is quite unique to it. There is our spare blades with screwdriver to fix small blades if they end up being damaged. That's it all for the unboxing of the Matavish 3 Pro. See you as I pilot it in the next video.